Three members of a South Korean family visiting the United States have been missing for more than a week after driving through a winter storm while on a road trip between the Grand Canyon and Las Vegas, according to Arizona officials. Jeon Lee, 33, Tae Kim, 59, and Jung Hye Kim, 54, were last known to be traveling in a rental car on Interstate 40 on March 13, according to the Coconino County Sheriff's Office. The vehicle's GPS data indicated the rental car was lost on the interstate westbound around 3:27 p.m. that day, coinciding with a fatal pileup accident on the same interstate during a winter storm, according to a release from the Arizona State Department of Public. The crash happened around 3:27 p.m. on westbound Interstate 40 near milepost 159.5 in Williams, Arizona. It involved multiple vehicles that were engulfed in flames, including some that burned for more than 20 hours at extreme temperatures on a road covered in snow and ice, DPS told CNN Saturday. Authorities are still working to identify possible human remains from the crash and meticulously examine the vehicles and related evidence, DPS said. The release says that multiple passenger vehicles were rear ended, pushing them into and in some cases underneath crashed tractor trailers. The fatal accident involved 22 vehicles and 36 drivers and occupants, resulting in at least two fatalities and injured to 16 people who were transported to medical care, DPS said. It is not known if this rental car was involved in the accident, the sheriff's office investigating the family's disappearance noted. The Consulate Journal of the Republic of Korea in Los Angeles is working with the Coconino County Sheriff's Office to locate the family of three. CNN affiliate KPNX reported. Anyone who has had contact with the family since March 13 or has known about their location is asked to call the Coconino County Sheriff's Office.